ChatGPT Plus AI. By using cloud and various other artificial intelligence tools, we can access this website completely free for 1 month. If you enjoy all the websites that let us use artificial intelligence tools for free, please be sure to follow our channel as I will be introducing many more websites in the future. Now, how exactly can we use this for free? I will provide the website link in the first comment and the description for you. When you have entered this website, you must use an IP from Germany, the Netherlands, or America to access the website and then log in using your Gmail or other accounts. Once you have entered the website, you must select the first option. After that, you will reach this stage and proceed to the payment section to enter your details so that your payment is processed entirely free of charge. After payment, select ChatGPT 5 here and work with it.